Sweet corn provides great nutrition packed into each golden kernel. With low fat but high fiber, vitamins and minerals, it's a nutritious staple found in many homes around the world.
I want a healthy plant, so it needs certain disease resistances. If you're in an area that has, high wind, for example, you want to make sure that your corn will stand up strong to the wind, strong stalks. When you have a picking crew come in and pick corn, once you actually get it picked, you need to be able to have consistent, predictable yield. So it's not just I want the variety that has the highest yield, maybe 50% of the time. You need a variety that is going to be consistent yielding, still high yielding, but you're going to know that it's going to yield every single time.
It's critically important that growers have sweet corn hybrids that can withstand stresses throughout the season. It needs to be resilient. It needs to withstand challenging weather conditions and resist pests, all while maintaining harvest ease, yield, and flavor. At Syngenta, our breeders screen thousands of potential hybrids each year to find which ones provide the yield and agronomic advantages growers need.
Syngenta is really the only seed company that has a processing facility like this. We process our products to mimic what they do, but also to get an end result, to visually see what the product would look like at the end. We process roughly between 12 and 13,000 plots each year. And what we're looking for within those plots is yield and recovery for the breeding team to help make better decisions.
I can predict progeny of these populations, so rather than test 200 progeny, I can narrow that down to maybe 50 or 100, which again expands the amount of things that I can actually test in the end because I'm doing a bunch of this virtual testing. The Yield Accelerator building is not just a building where you process corn and have commercial product at the end. The Yield Accelerator building is a building that collects an enormous data set that has utilization beyond just its local adaptation trials. We need to figure out how to grow things better. We need to figure out how we can fit more plants per acre, yielding more corn per acre, so that when it's harvested in a facility where we're pulling off more kernels on a cob or a processor, that in the bottom line, we're getting more recovery.
Discover sweet corn hybrids that provide you with the flexibility you need to manage pests and enable high yield potential to maximize your production every year. Learn more by visiting syngentavegetables.com.